Welcome back to the channel, where today we are diving into a super efficient workflow for turning your long-form podcast into endless social content. We are looking at a powerful tag team approach today, combining the precision of Descript for editing with the automation powerhouse of Vizard. The goal is simple. Stop spending hours manually chopping up your audio and start scaling your content production effectively. Why bother with transcription at all? It is the absolute bridge between your spoken thoughts and every other format you need, like blogs, tweets, and newsletters. Transcription turns your audio into a searchable, readable asset that you can slice and dice for any platform. First, we head over to Descript, which is arguably the industry standard for turning raw audio into clean, editable text. Create a new project. Drag in your podcast recording and let their engine handle the heavy lifting of the transcription process. Here is a massive pro tip for your recording sessions. If you mess up a sentence, do not pause or stop the recording. Just shout a unique keyword like pineapple, something you will remember, which acts as a visual marker in your transcript for easy editing later. When you are back in the editor, just hit Command or Control F, search for your marker, and delete those flubs in seconds. Once your transcript is clean, you do not need to over-polish the whole hour, just identify those golden quotable moments. Export that transcript as a text file because it is going to serve as the raw material for your future SEO-friendly blog posts. Now, we transition to the secret sauce of this pipeline, which is moving everything over to Vizard. Vizard takes that cleaned content and uses artificial intelligence to automatically slice it into short, viral-ready clips. It hunts for spikes in energy and natural hooks, saving you from scrubbing through an hour-long file to find the good stuff. Upload your file to Vizard and watch as it generates a batch of ready-to-post highlights specifically optimized for vertical video platforms. This stage is where you add your branding, like watermarks, catchy captions, or episode titles, all with just a few clicks. Instead of manually exporting from one tool and fighting with another, this integration keeps everything polished and consistent. Finally, use the scheduling feature in Vizard to distribute those clips across your channels without having to babysit the process. You can plan your entire week, preview your queue, and rest easy knowing your content is going live automatically. This hybrid system of Descript for transcription and Vizard for distribution is the lowest effort, highest output strategy I have found. If you are trying to scale your podcast reach without hiring an editor, this is honestly the best way to get it done today. Drop a comment below if you have your own shortcut tricks or if you want to know more about the specific settings I use in these tools. Make sure to hit that like button if this workflow helps you reclaim some time, and subscribe for more tactics on growing your creative brand. Thanks for hanging out for this walkthrough, and I will catch you in the next one.